Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to do half double crochet. Doing half double crochet is very simple. First you have to make some chains. Let me do that first. To do the half double crochet, what we have to do is first we have to yarn over, then we have to skip 2 chains. This is the first chain and the second chain, as you can see, 1 and 2, and go into the third chain from here. Okay, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now we are going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 of them. And here is our first half double crochet. Let me do it again. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 3 of them like so. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 3 of them like so. And we are going to continue on till the end of this row, just like this, and then I will tell you how to proceed to the next row. Okay guys, so as you can see now I am at the end of my row over here, and this is the last stitch of this row. So we are going to yarn over, go in, pull out a loop, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and go through all 3 of them like so. Now I have completed my first row of half double crochet. To proceed to the next row, I am going to chain 2 over here, 1 and 2, and then we are going to turn our work like so. Okay, so from here there is a point that you need to remember. It's when you are a beginner, you might mistake these 2 stitches as the stitches through which you are going to proceed throughout the row, but these are not the actual stitches, although they do look like so. When you turn your work a bit like this, then you will see the actual stitches, the top of the half double crochets that we put in the previous row. Okay, so this is not the loop through which you are going to go. You are going to turn your work slightly and then insert your hook in these stitches. Let me do it for you again. Stitch, yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 3 of them. Again, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 3 of them. And this is the way that you are going to continue on doing the half double crochet. Subscribe to the channel for further updates. Bye.